Hi, my name is Austin Dorman, and I'm a certified funnel builder and ClickFunnels ambassador. And today we're going to talk about how to create a commission plan inside of ClickFunnels 2.0. And before we begin, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And if you haven't already signed up for ClickFunnels, make sure you go check out the description section as well. And also, too, there's some really awesome resources in the description section, too. So make sure you check those out. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a commission plan inside ClickFunnels 2.0. So we're going to go over here to the left-hand side under Affiliate Center and then go down here under Commission Plans. And it's going to take us to this page right here. So we're going to click on this button, Create Commission Plan. And it's going to pop up the screen to create a new commission plan. You're going to just input your name. You're going to add a color. And then you're going to either assign it to be default or not. So we'll do test commission plan. We're going to assign a color. We'll do this blue one. And with this default, if enabled, all new affiliates will automatically be assigned this commission plan. So you could either toggle it on, enabled, or toggle it off, not enabled. So we'll just leave it enabled and click create. Now it's going to take you to this screen right here. So we've already added the commission plan name, the color, and either have it be defaulted or not. Then down here below, this is the commission settings. So we have the commission plan default. So right here we have test commission plan as the name, and then we have tier 1 and tier 2. So we could go over here to these three dots and we could click edit. And then right here, this is where we could assign what percent would go to the tier 1 affiliates, and then what would go to the tier 2 affiliates. And then we can also select the event type, whether it's a recurring commission or a one-time commission. So as an example, we'll say tier 1, those affiliates would get a 30% recurring commission, but the tier 2 affiliates would be a 10% recurring commission. And then we could click create. Now, if you only have a one-tier affiliate system, you could just have it be the percentage for tier 1, and then tier 2 would be 0. And also, too, you're able to add product overrides by clicking add. And then this is the list of products that you have set up inside ClickFunnels. So currently I have a product called test, and then you could also assign the tier 1 and tier 2 affiliate structure or commission plan. So right here we have, we'll say it's a 30% reoccurring, and then a 10% for tier 2 reoccurring as well, and click create. And so we have it all saved. So if you need to, you could click save. But that's how you create a commission plan inside ClickFunnels 2.0. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and I'd love to help you out.